Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to change your Gmail time zone. This is especially useful if you've recently moved, travel frequently, or notice your email timestamps are showing the wrong time. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and head over to mail.google.com. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and enter your credentials to access your Gmail account. Once you're in, you'll need to navigate to Google Calendar since time zone settings are managed there rather than directly in Gmail. Look up to the upper right corner of your Gmail page and click on the Google Apps icon. It's the grid of dots that opens up a menu of all your Google services. From this menu, select Calendar. This will open Google Calendar in a new tab, which is where we'll make the actual time zone adjustment. Now that you're in Google Calendar, locate the settings icon at the top right corner of the screen. It looks like a gear. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This takes you into the full settings panel where you can customize various aspects of your calendar and how it displays information. In the settings panel, you'll see a sidebar on the left with several sections. Click on Time Zone under the General section. This is where Google Calendar stores your primary time zone setting, which affects how all your events and email timestamps are displayed. You'll see a drop-down menu labeled Primary Time Zone. Click on it and scroll through the list to find your correct time zone. Select it from the drop-down, and the change will apply immediately. Google Calendar automatically saves your adjustments, so there's no need to click a separate Save button. Here's a helpful tip. If you travel often or want Google to handle time zone changes automatically, check the box that says Ask to update my primary time zone to current location. This allows Google Calendar to detect where you are and update your time zone accordingly. Once you've made your selection, you can simply close the Settings tab. Your time zone is now updated across Gmail and Google Calendar. Just keep in mind that Gmail also relies on your device's system time, so if things still look off, double-check that your computer or phone's time zone settings are correct as well. Thanks for watching.